Good evening.
How are you tonight?
I'm actually nervous knowing that I'm not that experienced when it comes to pageantry, but at the same time, through the people supporting me, I'm doing my best.
Okay, just enjoy this night because this is all yours. Okay, here's your question. As a member of LGBTQ plus QIA plus community, what will be your message to those people who are not accepting you?
Thank you for that question. Good evening. We all know that we are living in a society where LGBT community are still not accepted. All of us can say that we are close to an inclusive society, but the truth is, we are far from that. I personally, as well as my friends, experienced bullying through social media, verbally, or anything. And at the same time, my message is that to spread to people that our existence really do matter in this world, and at the same time, we gays doesn't surpasses the rights of men and women. We existed in this world because we have our own identity. And at the same time, we LGBT community doesn't only want them to be accepted, only want to be appreciated, and that's a simple thing for us to be, for other people to do. And I think for that, my message fully or therefore, I would say that men and women have their own rights. And at the same time, if we are closer to inclusive society, if we have this wideness of mind to understand that we are not only the people existing in this world, and I think that we must have to understand and appreciate each and every living creature, because after all, we are still members of society and we are still created by God. Thank you so much.